In round 2, we're going to increase our stitches by adding 2 stitches into every single stitch around. And I'm not going to slip stitch into the first stitch, I'm just going to work directly into it, and then I'm going to use my stitch marker to mark the first stitch of the round. But that's not where it goes. Take it back out. There you go. Put it in that one. Good job, Sophia. There we go. So I'm using the extended single crochet, and essentially all you do is before you pull through 2 like you would for a normal single crochet, I'm going to pull through 1 and then pull through 2. This is very similar to herringbone stitches, and personally I would prefer that it was called the herringbone single crochet, but it's officially called the extended single crochet. But I might start calling it the herringbone single crochet just for myself. It makes a very pretty box-like stitch, and it's also somewhere between a single crochet and a half double crochet, so that's just a little bonus for it. So since this beanie's worked from the top down, we're going to create a flat circle first, and the circle is going to determine the size of the hat. So if I wanted to make a smaller hat, I would make the circle smaller. If I wanted to make a bigger hat, I would make the circle bigger. But because we are using the hat templates, we're going to try and match our circle to the hat templates as closely as possible. And I'll go over how to do all that once we get to the edge. But I am going to hold up my circle to the hat template after every single round to make sure I haven't passed it. In part 3, I'll go over the different ways to keep your circle flat and how many stitches you should start with depending on what you're going for. And yeah, if you like these kind of close-up stitch tutorials, be sure to like and follow. I post them as much as I can, and I do have a website now. I've been working on it for months, so if you want to go check it out, it's linked where all the links are.